What are the beliefs in our faith that need to be turned upside down? What we talked about earlier is our misconception of trying to earn God's love. Now, I wanted to just very quickly talk about our misconception of trying to earn God's blessings. Because that's something that sometimes we get wrong, or perhaps in our own walk in the faith, hindi natin alam na nagagawa na pala natin to. Many of us, we have this theology, we have this thinking that we need to earn God's blessing. That's similar to what I was talking about earlier, that we needed to do enough good things. So we need to do enough good works and be pious enough to get a blessing from God. Right? Some would even give generously, financially, to gain a blessing from the Lord. And that's their thinking when they're being generous. So some people, maybe they don't say this verbally, but in their minds and hearts, this is what's being said. Lord, ang bait-bait kong tao eh. Wow. Bait-bait kong tao eh. Nagsaserve nga ako, nag-feast nga ako, nagbibigay pa ako sa LO. Kaya pa-blessing ka naman dyan. And that's one thing that I want us as a culture, as a Feast family. That's something I want us to turn upside down. I'm not saying those things are bad, but the blessing of God cannot be earned. We cannot bribe our way to God's blessings. He is neither a genie nor a vending machine. Because the truth is this, the blessing of God is not dependent on our works. All right? It is dependent on our obedience. What do I mean? We receive the fullness of God's blessings when we obey what He asks us to do and we trust His will, way, and time for that blessing. Who among you wants to receive a blessing? Raise your hand. All right. The way in which to receive that is through our obedience. Again, we receive the fullness of God's blessings when we obey what He asks us to do and we trust in His will, way, and time for which that blessing will be given. Amen? And so, I say this in the light of our love offering, in our time of generosity, because let it be clear, we cannot buy God's blessing through our giving. That's not why we give. We give because we are grateful of all the blessings that He has already given, of all the blessings He has already given now, and for all the blessings He will give. Amen? We give because He is Lord of our finances and we are merely stewards of it. We give because we are called to build His kingdom here on earth. So itigil na natin yung minsan pag-iisip natin na, Lord, nagbigay ako ng malaki ha, kaya kailangan yung bawi, yung balik, malaking blessing din. But in my experience of all these years of being in ministry, let me tell you the truth. When we give generously out of obedience, God always finds a way to bless us anyway. Because He is a God who cannot be outgiven in generosity. But let it be clear in our hearts. Yes, magbibigay tayo. Gusto natin magbigay dahil minahal tayo ni Lord, nakatanggap tayo ng marami na. But let the position of our hearts be that we don't give to get, we get to give.